Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the top cover on your Samsung dryer. Now, it just requires a couple basic hand tools in order to remove the top and to reinstall it. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you'd be looking at wanting to remove and reinstall the top is, one, perhaps the top's been damaged, something heavy got laid on it by mistake, or most commonly, if there's something you need to do inside the dryer as far as lint removal, any kind of service or repair that you're needing to do. In most cases, you do need to remove this top. So we'll show you how easy it is to do. So before we remove the top, the first thing we want to do is remove power from the machine, because there are some control boards and other components on it that are going to be powered up as long as it's plugged in. So to remove the power, we're simply going to unplug it from the outlet. If for some reason yours is hardwired in, then you're going to want to go to your home fuse panel, turn off your breaker, remove your fuses. So now with the machine unplugged and no power going to it, it's safe to work on. So what we're going to do is position the machine so we can get in behind, because there's two screws that hold this top on. We want to remove those. And of course your dryer will have had a vent hose attached to the exhaust, so you will have had to undo that in order to turn it around to get access like this. So now we're just going to remove the screws, and for this model, for these type, they take a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use an appropriate size. I think it's a 10mm socket. So just remove those two screws, hang on to them, because you're going to need them when you put it back on. And then the easy part is you're just going to take hold of the top, grip it at the back, and slide it back a little bit towards you, and then you're able to lift it right off the machine. It's just that easy. Reinstalling the top is just as easy. You're just going to bring the top into position, set it down so that there's still a bit of a gap here at the front, so it'll settle into place, and then slide it forward. And once it's in place, now we're just going to put our two screws back in where they originally came out of. Now with our top back in place and the screws secured, now it's just a matter of putting the dryer back into its normal position, making sure you've attached your vent, and of course then you're going to either turn on your breaker to provide power back to it or plug it back into the wall. So there you go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the top on your Samsung dryer.